Hey YouTube, Hunter Trucker here. Thought I would show what we do. I'm at the Flying J in Edinburgh, Illinois. And when we get here, I pull through the fuel aisle. I got my fuel and everything. Now when we get 50 gallons of fuel, we get showers on our points cards here, on our My Rewards card, actually what it is. And then but with every 50 gallons, you get a free shower. So I take advantage of that. I don't know what a shower costs if you, I think it's like 10 or 12 bucks. But anyway, I'll show y'all how we do this here. Excuse me. Right here, when you walk in the stores, they've got these little machines here, and you just hit it. Hit shower. No, I don't have a partner. And we just swap our rewards card, and it'll print us out a receipt. Alright, so 118 is my number. And then shower 8 is where I'll get my shower. Show it one more time. 118, that's me. Shower 8. Now on the receipts, they give a code. You just put that shower code in when you get to the shower. I'll show y'all what the showers look like, but I'm not going to show y'all what it looks like for me to take a shower. Number 8. Let's see here. My number is 41644. And the door busts open. Go in, it's just a, see if I can show it here. You got a shower, you got a sink with a mirror, and then you got your shower here. But that's how we get our showers. We buy fuel. Now, I think if you get 1,000 gallons a month, which is not hard to do, you get unlimited showers, which I do. I get unlimited showers. So, anyway, Hunter Trucker. Well, I'll make another video on some other things I want to show y'all out here when we get to the truck stop stuff. So, anyway, Hunter Trucker, I am out.